Here we are, folks, at my local Five Guys, right here, all day, super official.
What's up there, YouTubers? It's your boy Big T back here again, ready for another Big T Eats, Chugs, and Reviews. Today I took myself on over to Five Guys and got their famous burger, bacon cheeseburger, and famous fries. Let's go ahead and start with a taste of the fries. That one's a little wobbly there. I don't like that. Let's find one that's a little bit more crispier. That stands up. See? Get you in on that fry right there. French fry. The French fries are okay. You get the right amount of salt and all that. They're good. But this is what I'm really here to review. It's that big ass burger. Let's get at it. And after I eat this, I'm gonna shotgun a Shaq's soda, blueberry cream soda. They're 99 cents at a 7-Eleven or whatever store you get it from. Look at this burger right here, people. Look at this burger. You see this bad behemoth right here? This thing is packing a punch to it. It's got the bacon, the cheese, the lettuce, the onions, the mushrooms, tomatoes, everything on there. Damn. This is gonna definitely fill me up. See? The bacon is so crispy. It goes so good with the greasy meat patty. Oh my god. I'm gonna put this bad boy down real quick. Man. Had to give me a water here. There's some shorty over there that keeps like grilling on me, wonders who the hell I'm talking to. But I'm talking to you guys. Man, this burger is so good. Look at that. Let's get a piece of that right there. Look at that. Cheese is just exploding out of it. They definitely don't go skimp on the bacon. You're getting bacon in every bite on this cheeseburger right here. Shotgun time. Shaq soda. Box cutter. Let's get it. Oh yeah, you definitely smell that cream soda as soon as you open it. This is gonna give me diabetes. You have it, folks. Ate it, shotgunned it. Now it's time to review it. Overall, the burger was juicy, savory, it was good, bacony. You can get any toppings you want. They even got like A1 sauce, hot sauce you can get on it, all that stuff. Definitely take yourself to Five Guys and get you a bacon cheeseburger. The soda, alright. That's the only thing I can say about it. For 99-cent 24-ounce can soda, it is what it is. Remember, folks, keep watching, like and subscribe as always.